You know what, Greg? You are not a good friend.
Whoa, how could you even say that? I'm a great friend.
If you were a great friend, you'd have told Mr. Winksy the truth.
One thing, you can't get mad over one thing.
You only care about yourself. You hated my cartoon, you made fun of my clothes, you disrespected Joshy, and you broke my hand and didn't even seem sorry.
That broken hand was the best thing that ever happened to you.
Don't call me. Don't come by my house. We're done.
Honey, look, I think something's happened to us.
What are you?
It's me, Mom.
You're not my mother.
Yes, I am.
Get away, you clone freak.
Don't you use that tone with me.
Oh my gosh, you are my mother.
And you're not who you think you are.
Look at me.
I know.
I'm old.
I beg your pardon.
I'm like the crib keeper.
Okay, that's enough. Ah!
If I was a girl in a book, this would all be so easy. Just run away happily. I've always been quite content with my family. I don't understand. Perhaps I was too quick in turning him down. Lori, I think that if he were to ask me again, I would say yes. Do you think he'll ask me again? I just think that women, they have minds and they have souls as well as just hearts. And they have ambition and talent as well as just beauty. And I am so sick of people thinking that love is all a woman is fit for. I am so sick of it. But I am so lonely.
Excellent. Pretty soon you'll be able to do any type of multiplication, whether it's 2 times 7,
14.
good, or 13 times 379,
4,997.
I beg your pardon?
I think that's the answer. 13 times 379. 4997.
It is. Matilda, do you know how to multiply big numbers?
Yeah, I read this book in the library about mathematics last year.
You like to read?
Oh yeah, I love to read.
What do you like to read?
Everything really, but recently I've been into Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens.
Mike, come on, buddy. Let's get you out of here. This is all my fault. I'm sorry.
You were right. They weren't scared of me. I did everything right. I wanted it more than anyone. And I thought if I wanted it enough, I could show that Mike Wazowski is something special. And I'm just not.
Look, Mike, I know how you feel.
Don't do that. Please don't do that. You do not know how I feel.
Mike, calm down.
Monsters like you have everything. You don't have to be good. You can mess up over and over again, and the whole world loves you.
Mike.
You don't know what it's like to fail because you were born a Sullivan.
Yeah, I'm a Sullivan. I'm the Sullivan who flunked every test. The one who got kicked out of the program. The one who was so afraid to let everyone down that I cheated. And I lied.
Run! As fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
You're a monster.
Okay, I'm not the monster here. You are. And the rest of your fairy tale freaks poisoning my perfect world. Now tell me, where are they?
Eat me!
Well, I have tried to be fair with you creatures, but my patience has reached its end. Tell me now, where are they? Or Al?
No! Not the buttons! Not my gumdrop buttons!
All right then. Who is hiding them?
Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin.
The Muffin Man.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man, who lives on Derry Lane.
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man!
This is the Wicked Witch of the West. She's even worse than the other one.
They're gone. The ruby slippers. What have you done with them? Give them back or else.
It's too late. There they are, and there they'll stay.
Give me back my slippers. I'm the only one who knows how to use them. They're of no use to you. Give them back. Give them back.
Keep tight inside of them. Their magic must be powerful, or she wouldn't want them so badly.
Oh, you stay out of this, Glinda, or I'll fix you as well.
Rubbish. You have no power here. Be gone before someone drops a house on you, too.
Very well. I bide my time. And as for you, Emily, just try and stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too. Ah, ha, ha, ha.
Old woman.
Man?
Old man. I'm sorry. Do you know what knight lives in that castle over there?
I'm 37.
What?
I'm 37. I'm not old.
Well, I can't just call you man.
You could just say Dennis.
Didn't know you were called Dennis.
You didn't bother to find out, did you?
Well, I did say sorry about the old women, but from behind you look like...
What I object to is you automatically treat me as an inferior.
Well, I am king.
Oh, King A. Very nice. How'd you get that, A? By exploiting the workers. By hanging on to imperialist dogma, which perpetuates the social and economic differences in our society. If there's ever going to be
Just
progress...
tell me who lives in that castle.
That's gotta be him.
Stop talking, stop talking, stop talking. Huh? Mr. Big, sir? This is a simple mistake. This is a simple misunderstanding.
You come here unannounced on the day my daughter is supposed to be married.
Well, actually, we were brought here against our will. Point is, I didn't know it was your car, and I certainly didn't know about your daughter's wedding.
I trusted you, Mickey. I welcomed you into my home. We broke bread together. Grandma made you cannoli. And how do you repay my generosity? With a rug made from the butt of a skunk. A skunk butt rug. You disrespected me. You disrespected my grandmama. I told you to never show your face here again. But here you are, snooping around with, what is this? What's this costume?
Sir, I'm a cop.
Mime! She is a mime. This mime cannot speak. If you are a mime...
No, sir. I'm a cop, and I'm on the Emmett audition case, and my evidence puts him in your car. So intimidate me all you want, but I'm going to find out what you did to that otter if it's the last thing I do.